it's Jessica, and thanks for stopping back to my YouTube channel, JXT Beauty. Today, once again, I have my fabulous sister Katie here.
Hello.
And we are going to be doing something very festive for the holiday season. I don't really know how to do any of this stuff. Katie actually even decorated this Christmas tree for me because she's fabulous. I swear she should be paid to do this stuff. But she's going to teach me how to make a wreath because I don't even know where to start. We went shopping the other weekend and got a few things, and you know, she just knows how to do it.
I just like being crafty, that's all.
And she just knows how to do it. So she's gonna teach us all how to do this today. So we'll see how it goes. So you don't want to miss this video, and make sure to show your support for this channel by subscribing, liking the video, and leaving a comment. That's always great. And also make sure to follow Katie. I will list all of her social media down here below, and also it will be in the description box as well. So let's just go into the video and get started because I can't wait to make a wreath for the first time. Okay, so what do we do first?
So we got our wreaths. You can get these at a craft store.
I'm sorry,
they're not too expensive. So I think these were like $8 because they were 50% off.
Oh, that's right.
You got to go to like Michael's or Hobby Lobby, but everything's 50% off. So we each got kind of different things based on like our style and the look and color we're going for. You got more of just like all white stuff.
Mm-hmm. What do you think are like the essentials that if you're gonna make?
Yeah, like definitely ribbon.
So you need ribbon. So I got ribbon too.
And you want to get the ribbon that has the wire around the edges, so that way it's like easy to bend it and
yeah,
you know, just form it. It's easier to work with. So I'm gonna use the ribbon throughout the wreath and then also make like a bow for the top of it. And I have different ribbons, so I'm gonna mix the ribbons. And then you can also get little like different picks and things.
I know, I kind of wish I got those ones.
That you can we'll put in the wreaths. I'm gonna like cut this one up so we have like some more texture in the wreath.
So you need a wire cutter then too.
Yeah, and also you can have like, I have floral wire here to like attach some things. Like I also have some ornaments. So I'm just gonna kind of play around with how it looks. And then I also got, for mine, I got this little ribbon sign for the center.
So you'll be showing us how to attach
Yeah. You could get any, I mean, you don't have to put anything in the center, but I just think it looks cute when you have something in the center.
Oh yeah, no,
I agree. And then you got like some different type of ribbon, like a little, this you're gonna probably, we'll have to probably wrap that around.
Yeah, I don't know. You're gonna have to teach me how to do it first.
So we'll have a little different.
I'm thinking about hanging this in the center.
We'll see. So that'll be her little accent in the center. So they'll be very different style. Now you could cut this. I think I'm just gonna kind of just start. So you just start, you know, and you just attach it. And all you actually really have to do is you can kind of just wrap a piece of the garland around it to secure it. Because I don't know if you can see that. See how I just wrapped it?
I know what you mean though.
Because obviously these are all wired pieces of garland, so it makes it easy to work with, you know, and you can fool with it.
But that doesn't look right though, does it?
Well, yeah, it's fine.
Okay.
You just cover it up.
Yeah. Okay.
Stay in there. And then we're gonna kind of make this be like loopy, you know?
Oh shoot! Got it. Okay, loops.
So you just like create a loop, and then you just twist it with another piece of the garland. See how that created a loop? Then you want to, you know what?
Yeah, no, I know what you mean. It's just that yours is thicker, but you don't have to use.
Well, yeah, you don't. It doesn't have to be thick. Just fool with it. This is good. And then just pinch it, like just
pinch it in there.
Yeah, and then just fold it over.
But then you want some of the stuff out and then too, right?
Yeah.
Man, this isn't really the best ribbon I've ever found.
No, it's pretty. It's gonna look good.
No, I know it's gonna look fabulous.
Okay.
You can't look at it and judge it from the beginning.
Well, yeah, we're just getting started. But this just adds like, you know, some volume. So you just keep doing this all the way around, you know.
See, and I'm very OCD and like I'm trying to be precise, but you're not supposed to be precise with this. It's supposed to be like,
yeah, because
oh my gosh, look at how good that looks. You're like the Bob Ross of wreaths.
Well, I should have bought more of this ribbon, but it's because I use this on my Christmas tree, so I can't make a bow out of that one.
Which
so
also definitely check out
bow.
her Instagram, because her Christmas tree is fabulous and her Instagram in general is fabulous. She's
thanks.
so fabulous with her fashion and her like lifestyle posts, and her blog is fabulous too.
So, you know, that's just one layer, okay?
Oh my gosh, I love that ribbon.
I know, I got this at Michael's, and I'm glad that I found it because I didn't buy this originally when I was buying stuff for the wreath.
And it's like iridescent in there though too. So it's like totally up. I like anything iridescent, so I'm like attracted to anything glittery and sparkly. Which, you know, whatever.
Okay, see, yours is looking good. You just have to smooth out those wrinkles. There you go.
I'm going really slow.
That's fine. Now I'm just gonna add another ribbon in here, okay?
Oh yeah.
So you just do the same thing. You don't, I mean, you can literally do the same ribbon, you can do different ribbon, whatever you feel, you know?
Just have fun with it. Alright?
Yeah.
Such is life.
And I'm just like literally doing whatever I feel. I'm just like crossing this over because...
See, I don't know that I feel anything about this. That's why I'm like, oh. So wait, how long do I cut it? Like just like that?
Well, just cut it short, unless you want to have like a tail.
No, I don't want a tail. Mine is crinkly, huh?
Because you're gonna add stuff in it. Well, it's fine.
I think it looks good. Thanks for helping.
Okay, that's pretty good. So I'm not sure what I want to do with my ornaments yet because I don't want to go overboard, but you know, obviously you
can really go overboard in Christmas?
Well, no. But you can either like wire your ornaments in, or you can hot glue them in. You can put them like, you know, you can just like, and I like to just sort of place them first to be like,
and then
oh, well, do I like the way that looks? You know? And then you would glue. You could either glue them. I mean, it's kind of faster to glue, or you can wire them in. I'm gonna do that afterwards, I think. I just like to tear these picks apart, because then you can kind of do whatever you want with them.
I feel like that would have been...
So I like to get these big floral picks, like stuff like this, because, you know, it's cheaper to buy like one pick like this, and then you just break, you can cut these.
That's from Michael's, huh?
Oh!
Or is that from Hobby Lobby?
Actually, I got this one from Michael's. Yeah.
See, because I didn't see any ones that
big. It's kind
big.
of expensive, honestly, but they're always 50%. I mean, it was $13, so it's 50% off. But you know what? Like, there's a lot of little things on here. Like, I like to just buy like this whole chunk, because then you just can rip the pieces off. Or not rip, they're wire, so you have to use a wire cutter, and you just cut them, and then you can. There's a lot of pieces in here you can use. Yeah, and honestly, I probably won't even use this whole thing for this wreath, you know? So I'll probably use this for like decor in other parts of my house too.
So you're really getting your bang for your buck.
Now yours are what, I think you're gonna have to use a wire cutter for yours. But the good thing is that when it's wire, again, it's bendy, you know? So it makes it easier to work with. So, and actually...
Oh, it worked!
I'm just gonna kind of stick mine in here. Then you just
good job.
Add them. Just stick them in wherever you feel.
What about these though? Because these have like different.
Are those? Oops! I keep tearing this thing off.
Like,
well, I think you should leave yours in bundles.
Oops.
Like leave it like that, and then just like, and then yours can kind of stick out, so it'll add like more texture, you know. And then see, like you stuck
Oh my
that
gosh,
in
it
there.
looks so cute.
And honestly, you don't even, like, it's kind of stuck. Like, you don't even really need to
do much about it.
Yeah, I mean, you could wrap a piece
even in like
from the back. See it sticking through in the back, so you can kind of wrap
fabulous
a piece of wire around it just to secure it. So I don't think it caught me making this, but this is my bow. I will show you how to make a bow.
So what do we do?
I'm gonna cut strips of ribbon. So like
the wingspan.
Yeah, so it depends on like how long you want your bow, you know what I mean? Like, so if you want like a nice full
So
thing,
I need to like
cut it like
there.
Yeah. And then it depends on how big you want your ribbon, you know.
So
like how full you want it.
So then you can use this to like measure how many other
so then you just keep slicing some more. Like I would do probably 5. Sure, do 5. And then you can do some of this one too to mix in, because I think it looks pretty when you mix the ribbon.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Okay, so she is cutting her ribbons. Once you have them cut, you pretty much just pinch it in half, because this creates your loop, and then you just start bunching it together with your bunch of loops, and then that's what creates your ribbon, okay? Okay, so now you should use this too, because it'll be prettier. Lay your ribbon flat, please. Okay, now cut some of this too to add in. Just cut like, here, I'll do it. I'm faster than you.
Yeah, sorry, I'm not really like used to doing it though. I'm not very precise.
It's fine, it doesn't really need to be exact. Now, you're gonna take one of the strips, okay? And then you just pinch it in the center.
Okay.
Okay, so now you hold that, and then you're just gonna keep adding.
So then so you
can mix, you know. Just,
these are cute, like that.
And then you can fluff them afterwards. Alright, so you're gonna take your red wire and then, you know, you
just wrap it.
Yeah, here, you want me to do it?
Sure, well, I can hand it.
Okay, so let's just tie it real tight here, cinch it real good. But now, like, you could still hang this if you wanted just some, like, see how that just adds some little...
Yeah, I like that.
I kind of like that, yeah.
So then we would just, like, add it, how?
We'll just cut a long piece of wire.
Okay. Look at how cute!
And then, yeah, you can play with your...
I'll play with it, but then I'm gonna put some of the pink bulbs.
And then you could put the pink bulbs like either just like right around the top if you wanted just a little accent.
Well, what do you think? Like,
or you could just add them throughout. You don't even need to do the silver, yeah.
I was thinking just like a few pops.
Yeah, I think that looks pretty.
You're fabulous.
to make this wreath successful, make sure you have good ribbon with the wire, and then, you know, just play with it. You just add layers of things.
Don't be afraid to touch it and move it around.
Add your layers, and it, you know, as you are adding, it's gonna look better. And then, you know, you can make your bow as big or as little as you want. You can cut different lengths, you know, just to add dimension. And then
do you.
Yeah, just have fun with it.
So these are our final results. Obviously, we, you know, had so much fun. Thanks for like teaching me. This is my first time ever making a homemade wreath, and I didn't even know I could even do it. And two, it just shows you two different styles, and like you can do whatever you want. So just have fun with it. It's not permanent, and thanks for helping me. And thanks for helping me decorate my tree.
Of course.
Happy holidays to everybody. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure, once again, to show your support by subscribing to my channel, liking this video, and also show my fabulous sister support because she has a fabulous blog and she has fabulous 2 different Instagrams. She's so multi-talented. So make sure to check her out. We'll have to do this again, ASAP.
We'll do something again. Yes. We'll think of something else fun to
do.
Of
course we will. So I will see you, and hopefully she will too, in the next video. So this is a starter, and this is like a finisher. It's on your shirt.
I've been waiting for you girls to notice this.
What the heck?
Well, here.
Mark Johnny. I hate this crap.
Okay. See, here's my little...
Well, that's working. I have like stuff in my teeth. Oh, yeah. I was trying to be relatable. Continue with the tutorial. Keep going.
Okay, well,
I feel like I should. I don't even know if I like them. I can't do it one more time.
Hopefully I don't have wine on my teeth. She just wasn't really doing the pinch very well.
If you like this video, we have a cat that likes to eat glitter.
I actually my dude's hot.
Oh, glue gun. Up and Adam. Like, so what about you?
Who's Adam? That's all I
Yeah, who's Adam? See, usually I would have just cut that out. So thanks for already cutting it out for me.
You just weren't really, you gotta really pinch it. Now, okay, so.
Worst case, you're gonna have to come over and do a voiceover. I'm trying to make my own
holiday
Christmas. Hey, Dad.
It just wasn't thick enough, you know?
Yeah, and you know, this is my first time.
Merry Christmas, you filthy animals, and a Happy New Year.